On-road fuel demand refers to the amount of fuel used by vehicles traveling on roads like cars, trucks, buses, and motorcycles. It shows how much people use fuel and businesses need to keep transportation running every day. This demand is influenced by several factors: the number of vehicles on the road, driving distances, fuel prices, and economic activity. When people more travel or business deliver more goods, fuel demand increases. Understanding on-road fuel demands helps industries, governments plan for energy supply, manage prices, and improve transport efficiency. It's not just about fuel, it's about keeping movement, trade, and everyday life running smoothly. In short, on-road fuel demand powers our mobility and connects our world.